to give you a rundown on the new LCD control screen and our WWK range of heat pumps. A few of the features for installers and end users are as follows. We can see here the unit currently contains 350 litres of bath temperature water. That's set at 40 degrees. We can see currently the dome temperature at the top of the temp is 59 degrees. The set point where the unit will heat up to daily is 61 degrees. And we have the second set point with the aid of solar PV inverter that will go to 65 degrees. This is a great way to bank some of that extra solar PV energy. F40 is for the fan speed, can be adjusted. It is factory set to 40. This is the ambient air temperature, currently 23 degrees. THEO refers to when an element's engaged on the machine. In this case, this machine doesn't have an element. However, if an element is engaged, we can see TE10 refers to after 10 hours of operation, if the unit has not achieved its set point, the element will come in and assist. We've changed that now that would happen over 8 hours. 51:1 refers to the metric setting. This machine can also be set to gallons in Fahrenheit. LO50 refers to the loading of the tank. So in this case, when 50% of the energy is remaining in the tank, the unit will start to recover. We can adjust that now, so 55% of the energy is running in the tank, it will kick in. So that can be adjusted depending on your family size. And back to the start, 350 litres of water ready to go.